So everybody, let's get started. The topic was already given to you. The topic is dowry versus anti-dowry. Okay. In Hindi, it is called Dahej Pratha. Okay. So we have to debate about this. So one team has to say that yes, it's okay. Let it go on as it is there. Dowry is already there, so it should go on. Another team has to say no, it's quite bad. It should be eradicated. So now please make two teams. Who says that dowry is good and who says that it should be eradicated? Eradicate means हटा देना बिल्कुल
It's
जड़ से खत्म कर देना. Yeah. So
Darling
It
is
should
good,
be
sir. I
eradicated.
support you good.
you support that dowry is good. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
I
Priyanka.
But I don't support.
support
But I
anti-dowry.
Okay. Priyanka is saying that no, it should not be there. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah, the first question goes to Priyanka first. That Priyanka, tell me at least one point you think that this is really bad system. Dowry should be eradicated. One point which you think it's not good.
Okay. So, sir, as we all know that the dowry is not dowry should not exist in our society because as now we all have been reading a newspaper and we where we get a lot of news during related to the dowry,
Hmm.
and we can find that women are being tortured due to the dowry,
Hmm.
and they have to face domestic violence. So I think it should be eradicated.
Sir, if in a nearby my village, there are people from a caste. I don't take their name
Hmm.
of caste,
Hmm.
but they willingly give dowry
Hmm.
uh, uh, without having any. Uh,
Okay, so Priyanka is saying that they willingly give. There are some parents who willingly they want to give something to their daughter, whatever they wish. So there is nothing like torture and nothing
yes,
like
sir.
domestic violence. What Aman is saying, he's saying that no violence is there, no domestic violence, nothing. They love to give something to their daughter. This is what he's saying happens. So this is what dowry is.
Actually, sir,
Hmm.
the dowry is intended to help set up a new couple, sir.
Okay.
So, especially in culture where it is a share for women to work or to outside.
Hmm.
The dowry is a legally, morally wrong,
Hmm.
but this is a part of a tradition and a social custom. So, this is a just to ensure happiness for all. So, they are not asking for dowry.
Hmm.
They gifts for the relatives of a boy's family.
So you want to say this is a kind of support? It's a support to the
Support, right?
couples, yeah?
Yeah, support to the couples, their financial problems, their household.
Priyanka, so in order to get the
They can
support,
furnish their
dowry is
house.
required. Means if you give dowry, then finally the couple has is going to be supported. So do you agree to this point?
Actually, I agree 50%, but not half percent. I'm not agree because I agree with Irshad. Your name is Irshad, am I right?
He's Aman actually. He's
Irsh-
Aman.
no, no, no.
Acha, okay,
That day.
she's Fatima. She's Fatima.
Fatima.
Fatima. Okay, Fatima. Actually, sir, in the past, it was a way where we can save and protect the new wedded couple in order to give them a certain amount of properties and other durable things,
Hmm.
so that the bride's family can save their daughter in that way.
Hmm.
Uh, bride's family, but now, over the time it has become compulsion that everybody has to give a certain amount, and because of that the bride's father comes in a lot of immense pressure,
Hmm.
and and because of this pressure sometimes bride's family has to give like suicide sometimes, means not a family after
Hmm.
getting the bride after getting married,
Hmm.
that girl has to be commit suicide because they face a torture because of them, because it has become the tradition and compulsion. So and it also has become a social issue. But yes, sir.
What exactly happens? Girls' parents decide, I want engineer groom, engineer dulha chahiye. I want doctor. So, or I want, railway employee, government employee. So, whenever you
Yes, sir.
go in search of any government officer, reaching there, you come to know that they have a certain demand. They say, okay, for my child is going to take 5 lakhs rupees. If you want your daughter to get married to my child, 5 lakhs rupees, 10 lakhs rupees should be paid. This is what dowry is. So here, and people agree, the parents of the girl agree just because they are getting an engineer or doctor or whatever they had decided they are going to get that, and in return they have to pay something. This is what is going on. So if you eradicate, so do you think that the parents of the girl will not be able to choose what they want? Do you think it is going to happen if dowry is going to be eradicated?
Like we, that means we are from the conservative minds, and like we are we are narrow minded person, I would consider. So we should not think like that. If the family of the bride is not able to give certain amount to the grooms, so I think the bride family should deny it, and opt for another options, and opt for another person. And nowadays, sir, it's not like that. According to me, like most of, like 80 to 90% girls are working. So I don't think that the dowry is required while getting married. So if both are self-dependent, so I don't think this is necessary to give.
See, you
such
can
a
see
stuff.
dowry mostly in the village area. Priyanka, in the village
Yes,
area you can
yes.
see. And what exactly happens in the village area, let me tell you. When a mediator, goes to the girl's family with the photograph of the would-be groom, दूल्हे का photo लेके जब जाते हैं, that time the parents of the girl start asking a lot of questions. The first thing, about the qualification of the guy. Second, about his earning also. And similarly, when the photograph of the girl is sent to the family, to the boy, they don't ask about whether girl is working or not. They never ask like how much she is making
Yes,
money.
yes.
But the girl's family always ask how much the boy is earning. It always happens. See the differences, okay? So when girl's family gets satisfied that the boy is a doctor, or maybe the boy holds this designation in a government job, then they agree and they want to go for the further meeting. And when they reach to the boy's family, then the boy's family said that, okay, now you have to pay 10 lakhs rupees. This is the amount if you want to get married to my son. This is what dowry is. And plus, I will take 4-wheelers. I'm telling you what happens in villages. In Bihar it is called char chakka. Char chakka.
Yes, sir.
Okay? They say I will take 2-wheelers also. So they really demand. Here parents are not ready to give. Every parents think, the family of the girls think that I should not have to give anything, it is good. But the boys' family said that no, if you want my son, you have to give this, this and this. And they negotiate also. When the boys' family say 10 lakhs rupees, the girls' family say, okay, let's make it 6 lakhs rupees like this. When they agree, then they get married, So now, do you really think that it can be eradicated? And if it is happening, what is the problem? So you have to talk point to point, Priyanka. This is happening in the village. So the point which you mentioned, that girls are also working, in majority of the girls who belong to village area, they are not working, and their working doesn't even matter. They're making money doesn't even matter for the boys. But for the girls' family, it matters boy is earning or not. So now you have to cut
The
this
point.
Hmm.
So the point is, as you are talking about the villagers. So first, to eradicate these problems, first we must educate the girls.
Mhm.
We must educate the girls so that they can be self-depend, and then after that their family cannot be depend on the groom's family. So this is the first step that
Here, yeah,
girls,
good point, Priyanka.
family
Here
should
I
be
would say,
taken.
Priyanka, here I would say, what I have seen in the villages, girls are educated. Education means girls will, all the girls will say that we are graduate, we have done this, we have done MBA. I have seen the certificates of the girl, they have done MBA. In spite of this, they have to give dowry. So if degree is the education, they do have degrees. They do have degrees, but they are not working, or maybe some girls are working also. However, they are going to give dowry. It is happening. If you have not seen, I can tell you it happens in the villages. If you go for the arranged marriage, the dowry has become the part of arranged marriage. 2 लाख दे दो बट देना है, 4 चक्का नहीं तो 2 चक्का दे दो बट देना है. So now just debate about this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I support dowry because this all start from girl's family end.
Hmm.
I would say because when they are seeking a groom, they said that I'm going to marry my girl, and I we want a groom should be in government job.
Hmm.
That's why, especially sir, this all happen in arranged marriage. I would say.
Hmm.
I want to say, sir,
Hmm.
if bride's family
Hmm.
for their daughter security, okay, what is a groom do? It's an engineer or doctor.
Hmm.
Why they are asking? They are asking for their daughter security.
Hmm.
So if helps their daughter
Hmm.
by giving a dowry,
Hmm.
so what's the problem? If we both are
Okay, I got it. I got the point. So, Priyanka, the point is this. If the father of the girl is searching for doctor or engineer, it means somehow they want the security that my daughter is going to the house of a doctor, and if doctor is making lot of money, so ultimately my daughter is going to be the owner of that house. She will enjoy that. She will exercise that. So if in return I have to give one time payment, what is the problem? After giving one time payment and some kind of gifts, if my daughter is going to be happy throughout her life, then what is the problem? So this is what Fatima is saying. Now if you want to cut this point, then I think the option of choosing doctor engineer will not be there. So Priyanka, this is going to be a very serious debate. I'm telling you what is going on in the society, what is going on these days in the society.
Yes,
You know,
yes, yes.
डिबेट करने के लिए हर इंसान कुछ भी कहता है. रियलिटी अभी जाके देखेंगे ना गांव में, सच अभी शादियों जब शादियां होती है, वाकई ही दहेज पर बात होती है कि हम इतना देंगे इतना नहीं देंगे. ये होता है दोस्तों. तो ये सच्चाई मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूं. अब काटिए. या
So,
Priyanka.
sir, before this topic, I want to say that we all are living in a developing country, not developed country. So, more than 50% villages are comes in rural area. More than 50% people comes from rural area, and because of the rural area, and we almost find that the education system is not that much good in the rural area as compared to the cities area. So again this problem comes the education point. Until or unless the girl is self dependent, and I think this dowry system cannot be rooted out. Am I right, sir?
Yeah.
And as Fatima said that if a girl wants to marry in a doctor's family, engineer's family, and others good professions family, so what about, sir? I want to ask to Fatima that what about those people who belong to lower class family, lower class family, and in that lower class family there is a girl who is also well educated and want to start her career in a very good profession family, but she is not able to give them certain amount. Her family is not able to give them certain amount. So that girl means. So you tell me, sir, what is the conclusion of that? So,
Definitely.
means,
Lovely.
that
Priyanka,
girl
lovely
is
point.
not
Lovely point.
Able to
my
get
boy.
married to their desired.
Good point.
No, sir. No, sir. It's not all about. It's not about educated or non-educated person. It's our personal interest. If someone is on good post, it's a personal choice if he wants dowry or not. how we can say that only a non-educated person are taking dowry?
Mhm.
Everyone wants dowry, especially I said earlier that it start from girl's family end
But the
when they are seeking a groom
the question
who
question
is
is here.
a
Question
Yes,
what
teacher.
Fatima had said earlier, that in order to secure the life of the daughter, parents give something, whatever the boy demands. You know, in order to get engineer, doctor, or government officers, they give money so that their daughter could be secured whole life. But
actually sir,
here Priyanka is saying that okay, the girl wants to go in the family of doctor engineer, but the girl's family doesn't have that money to give in order to get that family. Then what will happen? What will happen to those girls? They don't have money, so they are not able to go to any engineer or doctor's family. They will go to some other people who are just making
That's what my
10,000
point
per
is.
month just because of the
actually
dowry.
sir,
Yes,
if they want secure her daughter's future, they should invest her education, invest on education.
No, they
They don't
have
need to.
invested on education. I mean, the girl from that family is also making money. She is qualified enough. However, she cannot get the choice what she wants. If there is dowry, and if dowry is given to any engineer, engineer is not going to ask for any qualified girl. Engineer says, "Bhaiya, graduation is okay. I don't want this girl to work somewhere else. Give me 10 lakhs rupees. This girl will be the part of my family." This is happening. If the girl is educated, she doesn't have money. Just that money has become that barrier. If money is there, she can go into the house of those reputed people. If money is not there, she is not able to go. This is the point of Priyanka.
Then you then if that is the case, you should not accept them as a groom. Who is forcing you?
Okay, okay. So don't accept them. Means you should not have any choice. If somebody is demanding for money, if you are going to get married to a doctor and doctor is demanding for some money, then just reject
yes,
it.
teacher.
Reject it.
Then
Yeah.
reject them.
Okay.